If you are new to being a natural girly or a natural guy and you're trying to figure out like how to wash your hair, this is the video for you. So I'm gonna break it down step by step. So here's a beginner wash day routine.
All about natural beauty. Yeah, slim Reshae.
First things first, you want to make sure you fully drench your hair before you do anything else. So get in the shower and drench your hair fully. Now I put some tips on the screen so you can figure out how to better identify your hair, and hair porosity is a big and important thing when it comes to figuring out which hair routine works for you. I personally identify with low porosity hair because it takes a while for my hair to get fully wet. Now there is such thing as normal porosity, which means you're in the middle. It doesn't take too long or too quick to get wet. So I'm taking my Mane and Tail Deep Moisture shampoo. You can use any shampoo that you like for your hair, and shampoo is going to be to cleanse your hair. So you want to make sure you focus this on the scalp areas because that's where you have a lot of product buildup. And I start around the perimeter of my hair and then work my way inside. So you want to make sure you're not just doing the perimeter, make sure you get all up and through the middle because that's where we sometimes miss. I like to use a shampoo brush with these soft bristles, and I like to use that to massage my scalp. So this is going to stimulate blood circulation and promote hair growth. So you want to make sure you're focusing that shampoo on your scalp, and since I do a lot of wash and goes, I also like to make sure I move that product down the shaft of my hair. I want to make sure that I'm not just getting the edges and I'm getting all in between. So make sure you're not missing any part of your scalp when you're shampooing. And then my personal thing is to make sure that shampoo goes down the shaft of my hair. Now you don't want to jumble up your hair in the top of your head and just start scratching and doing all that, because that is going to result in more tangles and it's going to be harder for you to detangle your hair. The best technique that I've found is to make sure you're shampooing in a downward direction. Once you've fully washed your hair, you want to go ahead and rinse all that shampoo out and make sure you're not missing any suds in your hair. So I rinse until the water runs clear, and that makes me know that I have all of the shampoo out of my hair. You want to make sure you don't miss the back because that's a commonly missed area and you'll start conditioning and still have shampoo in your hair. So make sure you wash it all out. It's totally up to you if you want to repeat this beginning step and shampoo your hair twice. Sometimes I do that when I have excess buildup or just took my hair out of a protective style because I want to make sure it's super clean. And then after that, I like to go ahead and section my hair with clips. So I use butterfly clips and I section my hair into 4 sections, and this helps me. And as I'm sectioning, you want to make sure you're going with the curls. You're not ripping your hair or anything like that. You're just separating it where the curls separate. So I'm taking this Aussie Miracle Curls conditioner. Aussie is like one of my favorite conditioners. It's super affordable and it has great slip. So as you can see, my hair is kind of tangled at the back really bad, so I do it with my fingers. I finger detangle first, and then I take a different shampoo brush to detangle. Now I like this because it doesn't slide out my hand like a regular detangler brush would. I like the little ring for your finger because it helps me detangle my hair easier, and it has the same properties as a detangling brush. So as you can see, my hair is super detangled. These little shampoo brushes are literally like $1 from your beauty supply store. You don't have to have a separate one for shampooing. You just want to make sure you wash all the shampoo out of the brush before you use it to detangle. So if you guys are enjoying this video so far, make sure you give it a huge thumbs up. Check out the description box for links to the products and subscribe while you're down there. One main tip when it comes to detangling, you want to make sure you start with the ends and work your way up the hair shaft, because the most tangles, you're going to tangle your hair more if you start at the root. So you want to start at the bottom, detangle those ends, and work your way up. I like to twist off my hair after I detangle it, and then I go ahead and slap a little bit more conditioner on the roots. Even though you're not supposed to concentrate the conditioner on the roots, you're supposed to concentrate it on the ends. So this is what my hair looks like fully detangled. I have all my twists in and it's conditioning, and then I like to go ahead and clip up my hair. So you can put it in a disposable like shower cap if you want to give like some more intense hydration or deep conditioning vibes, but I like to go ahead and wash while my hair is pinned up. So I'm scrubbing up, dubbing, you know what I'm saying? And then by the time I'm done like washing my body, I feel like my conditioner has been sitting for a good little minute, and then I like to rinse out my conditioner while my hair is still in twist. I like to do this because it keeps your hair detangled, so you don't have to go back through that detangling process again after you've already done it. So I like to scrunch my hair, and as soon as the water runs clear, that means I've rinsed all of that conditioner out of my hair. So this is my hair freshly washed, and this is how much hair came out in my shampoo brush. So next I'm taking my Aunt Jackie's Quench leave-in conditioner, and I do like to go ahead and apply my leave-in fresh out the shower because I feel like the steam and the moisture helps me maintain that detangled state, and it helps the product further saturate in my hair. So I'm just applying that leave-in and making sure my hair is fully detangled by brushing through it, and this is my beginner wash day routine. So the last step that you could do if you want depends on how you're going to style your hair. You can take a microfiber towel or a cotton t-shirt like I did, and you can use it to dry your hair. This reduces frizz and tangles versus a normal bath towel. So I like to take my time and just scrunch my hair dry with this t-shirt, and usually it's just a cotton t-shirt that I'm never going to wear again. And this is what my hair looks like, conditioned, freshly washed, boom. So now I like to take the t-shirt if I need my hair to continue drying before I style it, and I just wrap it around my head and put some clips in it, and that's pretty much it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys so very much. And until next time, see y'all later.